friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the pointer to pointer in C language. So yes, I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process and now yes is open Alt F5 menu and taking new file and here our concept pointer to pointer. Yes, and or we can say that chain pointer, that is also known as a chain pointer. So yes, we can concept that is pointer to pointer, or we can say that chain pointer. Yes, so directly here there is a definition, write a program to print pointer to pointer or concept apply to chain pointer, apply to or implement, demonstrate, that type of word use. So yes, here we can start. There is no any other. So that is our goal. How chain pointer is work. So yes, our link section and then now our void main. So here we can explain yes, first x and then asterisk t. Yes. So first our simple that pointer we have to take and here we can yes if you not take from user so any value take from user also there is no problem but here our goal how to chain pointer that is so let us take so the x first we can print the x value is percentage d yes and then yes percentage d and x yes so x itself we have to print and here we can assign to x address to p because pointer taking the other variable address so pointer point to that is known as a pointer is a variable which can store the other variable address so that is a pointer variable definition so yes now we can print x value yes number of time because that itself then yes here I first alter key and backspace so that is a undo and redo so yes that now remove I because I here take the slash n and then copy this line so we cannot provide yes now that perfectly so yes here we can chance to asterisk p so that is also uh, but we can print after so here that other possibility ampersand x so x address and then asterisk so its value so that is a ampersand itself as a address and asterisk means that value and then here we can print the asterisk p so that is a x value that also print x value so now we can print our address of x so here I just copy and paste two times so yes, here percentage u unsigned integer and the value is not there. X address is yes. So how many techniques? So that is ampersand x then a p value that is a also x address. So you have to know in internal memory there is a like this is a x that is a we can say that x and x is what so that is a we can say that location name yes then here we can assign the like static time so we can say that location value yes that is happening and then like here I assumption 1000 so what is a 1000 so that is we can say that location address so we can refer the one variable in three ways itself that location name that value we have to print that value and that address that is assigned to pointer variable so now pointer variable look like this so here that location is p and then value is a 1000 because that is a pointer variable and it's also address like I give 2000 so that is just assumption so that is a location, that is a value, and that is a address. So that is a pointer variable. Point two. So that is a known as a pointer. So that is just reference for you. I assign to here. And yes, first I give the multi-comment line. So that is a one level. We can say that only. So that is a not pointer to pointer. Yes, that is a, we can simple x value assigned to pointer variable address means, and then we can print. So yes, now here we can also change the message, that is also print p, and that p address, yes, can also print the p address. So here ampersand, and that is not x address but the p address. So only one technique in p address but two technique in x address. So that is a value of pointer. So first we can just, here I give the definition pointer and pointer dot c, pyn pointer to pointer. Yes, so save and compile. Yes, there is no any error. Let us check. So there are three times. Yes, x address is a 65,524 and pointer variable is 65,522. So 2 bytes gap because that is integer data type. So now we can just now chance to declare our second, that is a one level, and here I declare the two level, two asterisk. So that is a second level. And what is now, that is here we can expand, and that is a k. Yes, here is a k, and k also take the address of pointer variable, and its also address, that is a, we can say that 3000. So that is a chain pointer. So that pointer address taking here, that 2000 is store k value because there is a two asterisk sign. So pointer also assigned to other pointer address. Yes, that is happening. So now yes, here we can one, that is over here I directly assign. So k is ampersand. Yes, here ampersand that p. So p address storing k, and one technique is increase to our x value printing. Yes, how, which technique? So one asterisk we can take the x k. So one asterisk means that go in this address. Yes, here is address and that value. So that value is a x value 10. So we can also print this fourth technique. So x value print in four way. X itself, then ampersand x asterisk, asterisk p, and asterisk k. So asterisk k means that is refer to the x value. Yes, and just that refer the x and double. Yes, we can also provide here double asterisk. So that is a, let us check. So first I run this file. So yes, that is a 10 print. Okay, so one asterisk, that is a value of here. Yes, so that is a address go, and that value, that is a x address. Yes, x address we can print in one asterisk. So here x address technique is increase, and that we can say that k. So asterisk k asterisk. So one asterisk give the address of x. Why? Because here that go in that address, and here that array, and that value is our x address. So that is a one asterisk. Two asterisk means x at value itself, and one asterisk means x address. So that is happening. And now what to do? So here our p address we can also, yes, now chance to, we can also print the 2 because that is a also taking by k itself. So now here I print k, and that is the address of p. Yes, and k itself is a address. Yes, let us check. We can also print the k address. So that is a ampersand k. Yes, and here we can trans x k. So there is a one technique increase in our x variable. Yes, x value. So double asterisk that print, how it's print. So yes, let us check our figure. So that is go in one asterisk. So here address and that value, and then again asterisk because there are two asterisk. So we go in this address and that value, that is indirectly print to our x variable value. And the address also we can three-way. Yes, ampersand, then p value and asterisk. So asterisk k means that go only one level. So one level means that address and this value. So that is our x address. Yes, that is happening. So all are well. Let us check. And k itself value, and one method is increase the k p address. So k itself store the P address. So that is a K is a two level. So that is known as a, here we can say that that concept is a chain. Yes, so we can like our any human chain. Yes, that is happening. So here is a chain pointer, or we can say that pointer to pointer. Yes, so it is a or, and we can say that pointer to pointer. So pointer also store the simple variable address and pointer variable address. That is a, here we can prove. So here simple address store to pointer variable, and here other pointer address to store the pointer variable. So that time you can assign the double asterisk. So two level, that is chain. So two level we can say that. That is P is a one level, yes, that is one asterisk, and here two level, and chain pointer or pointer to pointer. Yes, that is now complete our concept, and let us look. So yes, there are four techniques you can print the X value, and X address there are three technique, P address there are two technique, and K itself is only one technique. So yes, here we can recognize how this print. So here we can say that X value is, we can say that by P, yes, so we can recognize, and then by K, so give that type of message, and that is a here X itself. So here now uh, X address, so that is a by, here we can say that by P is one level, and then here we can say that by K, so we can recognize, and that P itself, and here we can K, so that is a pointer. So now look that message you can recognize. So let us check. So X value one itself, and ampersand X and asterisk. So that is also itself. Then P and K both print the K X value, and then address also itself. Then by P and by K. Yes, and now P address that itself, and by K that is P address by K value, and then K itself. So you can recognize. So give this type of message so you can identify. So yes, that is very simple. Here I can also one figure that for your reference. So we can recognize in before the pointer variable only one location name and location value. Now third part is open, that is address, and pointer variable is a always address of other variable point to, and so it is called indirect variable, indirection variable. So directly, not in indirectly go, like here double asterisk we can print our X value. So that is a go, it's that one asterisk, so this value, and then again asterisk, so that go in this address and print its value. So asterisk is a print the value, and without asterisk it's print the address. Look here. So here our asterisk one, so that is a X value, yes, and without asterisk that P, so that is address its value. So its value means the address of X, and same concept here, that is a one asterisk, so that is a X address because one level that go, and then you can two asterisk, so that is a its X value. So again we can print, yes, so very simple. So that is all chain pointer, yes, and pointer to pointer in C language. So now I just close all are well and write this program to your C notebook if you prepare. So very simple and pointer to pointer, or you can say that chain pointer in C language. So I close this file, yes, and then quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok C Jalakati, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.